The purpose of this study is to discover everything that you eat and drink during a 3-day period. It is important to record all foods and beverages, whether it is a full-course meal at home or a quick can of pop at school or work. Before you start recording your intake, please pay attention to the following instructions and the sample day. The 3-day dietary intake record should be completed on 3 non-consecutive days, 2 weekdays and 1 weekend day. Do not complete your dietary intake record on your birthday, Christmas, or during any major celebration or special occasion because such days do not reflect your usual food consumption patterns. The 3-day dietary intake record has a separate section for each day. See Day 1, Day 2, Day 3 on the top of each page. Each day is broken up into 6 eating times: the morning meal, mid-morning snack, midday meal, afternoon snack, evening meal, and an evening snack. It is a good idea to carry your dietary intake record book with you and record your entries as soon after eating as possible. Foods and beverages consumed away from home, at a friend's house, at the mall, or at a restaurant are just as important as those eaten at home. Please include the following information on your food record. Food and beverage items. Enter all foods and beverages consumed at meal or snack time. Please record the specific type of food, for example, whole wheat bread. In the same column, record all toppings or items added to the time of eating. For example, sugar, syrup, jam, butter, mayonnaise, gravy, milk, salt, etc. For combination foods, please include detailed information on each item. For example, if you had a tuna sandwich, you would list the following foods and include detailed information for each of them: white bread, mayonnaise, celery, salt, white tuna, and salt. The description of the item. For every food or beverage item listed, include the following, if applicable: the brand, the type of flavor, the method of cooking, and all other relevant information that is included on the food label. The number of units. In this area, record the number of units consumed. Include the amount of the food or beverage item and the amount of any topping or items added. Unit of measure. For every item consumed, enter the unit of measure you are using for this item. For example, enter the word cup, grams, piece, ounce, number, teaspoon, or tablespoon. Enter a unit of measure, not only for the menu item, but for toppings or items added as well. Each entry must have its own unit of measure. Use measuring cups and spoons whenever possible. Fill in the blanks on the bottom of each record. Please list any vitamin or mineral supplements and/or herbal products taken, including quantities and detailed label information if possible. Indicate the time of your meal or snack and where it was eaten, for example, at home, at a restaurant, in class. If you ate more than one snack between 2 meals, please indicate the time of each snack. If you did not eat a meal or snack, please place a check mark in the space provided on the bottom of the page so that we do not think you forgot to record it. Daily check. In the evening, after you have recorded everything for the day, go back over your entries to make sure that you have included as much detail as possible for each item. Also check that the blanks are completed at the bottom of the page. All foods and beverages you consume every day are important, and your dietary intake record should be as accurate as possible. It should also reflect the way you usually eat. Please do not change your normal eating habits for the 3 days you are recording your food intake. Your honesty is crucial to the success of this research study. We have provided a page at the back of your food record for you to include any additional information that will help us interpret your diet. Recipes and information from labels are particularly helpful. Thank you for your participation and cooperation with this study. Please look closely at the sample day before beginning your dietary intake record. If you have any questions, please phone 780-248-1010.